this is today's healthy breakfast. I love a healthy breakfast. I am getting ready to go to the gym. I haven't honestly been to the gym in, I think it's been a minute. Like, I feel like I've been really occupied with other things, and then I started to feel not so well. So I just like haven't been to the gym, but I'm just quickly getting a little bit ready for the gym. So I feel very out of it. I feel like I kind of just like got out of the habit of going to work out, and it's been like a week now that I haven't gone. And it's really important to have self-discipline, and when you fall out of your good habits, it's important to get back into the habit of doing those things that are good for you. That's very, very important. Like even today, I might not feel my 100% absolute best right now, but I'm still going to go do a light workout. I'm not gonna go too heavy just because I wasn't feeling well last night. I took a Dayquil. I don't like NyQuil. I don't like any medication that knocks me out. I just don't really like that. But I took a Dayquil and then I went to sleep. Since I took a Dayquil yesterday and I was feeling a little out of it, I'm just going to go easy today. It says under eye corrector so that nobody knows that I got barely any sleep last night. I am on my finals week for school, and then I also have Vlogmas, so you can imagine that that's kind of a lot, but I made a promise to myself that I was going to do Vlogmas and that I was going to also get really good grades on all my final exams, and I am keeping that promise to myself. And that means that even if it's hard, I'm going to make sure that I get everything that's on my to-do list done this week. So in the middle of the night, I've been waking up to the sound of my spoolie hitting the floor, and it's my cat playing with it. She really likes spoolies, and I feel like I can't leave anything out. Like I feel like I have like a little baby in my house and I have to make sure that I'm not leaving stuff out, but it's really cute. She really likes spoolies. Okay, I just did a little tiny amount of Watermelon House Labs blush and Chanel bronzer. I try not to go too crazy with makeup when I go to the gym, but then there's times where I feel like I look tired and I feel like I need it. So on those days, I kind of maybe do a little more. Guys, sorry for hauls literally all the time. In every vlog I have a haul. Okay, I ordered my favorite contour stick. Basically, I got 4 of these. One for me, okay. One for me, one for my best friend, one for my cousin. Hi. One for my cousin, and I'm obsessed with this contour stick. I ordered some of those because they had a little Black Friday sale. I'm gonna link this. It's not only is it, not only is it affordable for a contour stick, like it's like $22 or something like that, but it's also my favorite, like one of my absolute favorite contour sticks and formulas. So I pretty much only order this mascara when it goes on sale, which it does go on sale every now and then. It's the Lancome Lash Idole, but I use the waterproof Lash Idole. It keeps my lashes up and it makes them look so wispy. My sweet sister for Christmas, we cannot like wait to give each other Christmas gifts. We do this every year. So I got a Christmas gift from her that was so sweet, and I'm gonna unbox it. I literally want to jump for joy. I'm so excited. She knew this was on my wish list. You guys, I am literally obsessed with this. It just looks so like classy, cute. I'm obsessed. I love the cream colorway of Smeg and I think it looks so beautiful. Okay, I have a little grocery haul to close the vlog off. I just got some Whole Foods groceries delivered. I'm very healthy for the most part, but like every now and then I crave a little something, and all day long I was thinking about favorite cheese. It's from Norway, I believe, and I love it so much. So I just got this, some Greek yogurt with no added sugar or anything like that, low fat. This looked so good. Some baby spinach. I put spinach in smoothies. I put spinach in omelet. I put it in my juice when I press juice. I got 2 bunches of celery. You know, I love celery juice. So I got some mint and basil, just little ones. Blueberries for on top of my yogurt. I got some meat for cooking. I got some lemons. I've been having honey lemon tea because I don't know if I mentioned it in this vlog, but I was sick literally yesterday. So I just got some lemons. Today I'm feeling much better, but yesterday I was not doing good. I got some persimmons. These are my favorite. I love persimmon. I got a couple of apples, literally just 3 apples. I wanted like cuties. These aren't cuties, but I love some sort of citrus in the fridge to snack on.